Hello, third graders. Now, let's watch more line plots and length visual learning.
How can you measure lengths and use line plots to show the data? Think about this question during the lesson. Julio is measuring some lengths of yarn. How can he use a ruler to measure the nearest half inch? The distance between each whole number on this ruler is 1 inch. Each red mark shows 1/2 inch. So you can think of each whole inch as 2 1/2 inches. Line up one end of the object with 0. The fifth 1/2 inch mark is closest to the right end of the yarn. So, to the nearest half inch, the yarn measures 5/2 inches. What is another way to write 5/2 inches?
Select your answer.
This is 2 whole inches and 1 1/2 inch. You can write this as 2 1/2 inches. Julio measured 9 other lengths of yarn. The lengths of all the yarn Julio measured are shown below. Julio then recorded the data in a line plot. You can use this line plot to see that the length that occurred most often was 3 1/2 inches. How do you know that the 3 1/2 inch length occurred most often? The greatest number of dots is above the fraction 3 1/2 in the line plot. The length that occurred least often was 2 1/2 inches. How do you know that the 2 1/2 inch length occurred least often? The least number of dots is above the fraction 2 1/2 in the line plot. Now you know how you can measure lengths and use line plots to show the data.
Great job!
Absolutely. Great job, third graders. Let's move on with our lesson.